Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel.
So as you know that there is flood in Pakistan. It's a huge crisis. A lot of people have been displaced and a lot of people have died in this crisis, and there's shortage of food, tents, every you know it's a mess basically. That's why we have planned that we'll be going to Balochistan tomorrow and see what's the situation there and help as many people as possible.
So Ali is packing his stuff.
Did you find the keys?
Yeah.
Okay, did you lock this room?
Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't take the brushes of Shakira?
I did take it.
So these are there as well.
Yeah, these are
My
the...
sister and her friend wanted this, so we bought this for them.
Let's go.
Let's lock this.
Shall I lock it?
Yeah.
See, you guys ready?
Yes. Now we are leaving the house, so Ali is locking the doors. Assalamualaikum everyone.
Now we are leaving in our auto to the bus station.
This is Ali.
So we reached the bus stop, but the situation of the road is very bad. As you can see, there's a lot of water on the road, and a lot of roads have been destroyed due to rain. It was very windy that day. We had like a lot of dirt in our eyes. Ali is taking our ticket.
And this is Alina. Rich, come here.
So finally we are sitting in the bus. The bus will leave in like few minutes. We have started our journey. You can see there's a lot of water stopped on the roads. So this is the road that connects Balochistan and Sindh together.
So Ali is reading newspaper in the bus.
Almost 80% of the roads have been destroyed. So I was like, I should make a video with Ali, but he was sleeping. A lot of bridges have been broken. Like there's no way. The road has been destroyed very badly. This is, the bridge has broken due to the rains, heavy rains, and a lot of water. The road is even broken. I would say the bus drivers and the truck drivers, they decided to make another path. So they come down from the road and they like sort of turn from there, and then they go to the up on the road again. But this really takes a lot of time, and the buses are loaded, so it's very difficult sometimes for the buses to cross these roads. So now we have reached the hotel or the restaurant. We call it hotel here.
لا دالس
Ali is
دالس
ordering food
مسدرغت ठीक है चाय सही है एलो बिस्किट बस ऐसी करना आपसे दूर लो
I have a very good I'm not having lunch, I'm having chai with a biscuit. So first time Alina introduced this biscuit to me, and I'm a fan of this biscuit now.
Now we are going back to the bus. The bus is calling us. There's a bridge that has been really badly affected. There are a lot of actually bridges that has been broken due to the rain, and they have destroyed like the path. As you can see, there are a lot of camps. People have moved towards the cities because of the flood. So it was raining here when we reached this area of Balochistan, and trucks, I would say buses, and a lot of other vehicles were here, and there was a lot of rush. Finally, we have reached my hometown, and now we will go home. So now we are in the auto. That's me, Rouge, and Alina. So we reached very late due to the road's bad condition. So usually it takes 7 to 6 hours. So this time it took us 10 hours. We reached there when it was very dark. So when we reached in the town, we came to know that the entire district does not have electricity since 20 days. As you can see, there is no sign of light.
मुदस्सिर भाई कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक है।
क्या कर रहे हैं आप? शर्मा क्यों रहे हैं?
मुस्कुराहट आ रही है।
So finally we are here and Mudassir is hosting us. Best buddies are united.
So the tea is ready.
बच्चे को ना उसका मास्क को करा दे रूज अलीना बाबू चाह को
I have a bad headache. That's all. We can't see anything, but we are upstairs. We're on the roof.
because there is no electricity.
So we will be sleeping upstairs. This is our bed. Yeah, as you cannot see it. That's our bed.
And this is our machardani, the mosquito net.
There's so many mosquitoes.
तमैदुर्वा मौसम बहारे कनिकाई मनी तई इंतजारे बलोचिस्तान में बागो बहारे कनिकाइल मनी तई इंतजारे.
So someone is showing us a video of how buses survived during rains and how badly they have been affected due to the rains. There is a bulldozer that's taking out the people from bus because the bus is not able to move due to the heavy weight. Because the roads have been destroyed, you know, they can't carry that much weight as they used to.
Sorry, that of it.
Sorry, you do not know.
Wala that of it. Ma, you am gonna go china.
So today we are in Safia's village or town, but tomorrow we will get the ration and then we will go to remote villages, the villages that the government or other organizations don't know about or they can't reach, because they're busy here and in urban sides of Pakistan, because a lot of villagers have moved. After their house were destroyed, they moved to urban side temporarily and they are being given relief there. But the remote villages where people haven't left their homes but their livelihoods have been destroyed completely, they need to be helped as well. So that's it for today. We are really sorry that you guys can't see anything, but that's the position right now in here, Balochistan. There's no electricity for 15 or 20 days.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no surprise that Balochistan is not developing. It's not even receiving the basic things. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow.